let's do it.
Cool, let's do it.
So, I'll put a filter on so your nose is not so red.
It's fine, you can say I'm drunk, it's all the wine.
Welcome to the London workshop. James, Pedro. Say hello, Pedro.
Hello.
Valle Hermoso, Caminier, from Chile. So, beautiful.
Fantastic.
Let's open it.
Do it. Cheers.
Cheers. Let's...
I say keep that. Don't let it out.
So as you can see, this is what we call a semi-professional production.
Yeah.
That's where London is.
That's what it is.
About London.
London is cold, wet and grey for much of the year, and it can also be really expensive.
A little history.
Lesser known facts. Why do you need a rifle shooting range in the House of the Parliament?
Things for tourists that are actually worthwhile.
There's loads of dinosaurs.
Insider tips from Londoners. If you are of a legal age to drink, then I recommend you drink some wine with this. And that's it.
And have fun.
Have fun. Okay, thank you.